What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Love the Barber, once again with another how-to video. What we're doing is turning the Afro curly unit into a wavy unit, because most of the wavy units are made for more Puerto Rican Spanish guys. So the best units to get is the Afro curly, the Afro kinky units. And what we do is turn them into wave units. So I have a mousse right here that what we do is we mousse it down and we brush it. We do a lot of brushing. We make sure that out here is completely, we do exactly what we'll do with waves. We'll get our little crease in the middle of the center of the unit, and we'll just keep brushing downwards. Preferably, it's good to use a nice hard brush because there's a lot of hair under there. So as we do this, we set it, and then we put it inside the stocking cap, wash it down, put it underneath the dryer, and then this is how it looks when it comes out the dryer. Voila, we have our waves. More for a black, dark-skinned man, a Negro American. This unit we can put on our brothers where it don't have that wavy look. So this will help you solve your problems with the super wavy unit for Afro-American men. It's your boy Love the Barber. Like and subscribe to our channel today. Thank you.